How to create a Messenger account without Facebook on mobile. First of all, launch the Messenger application in your mobile device. Now, once you're on this login page, here at the bottom, there is an option or button with Create a New Account, so tap on it. Here, tap on Get Started. Now you have to enter your first name, so type in your first and your last name. Tap on Next. Now you have to select your date of birth. So choose your correct date of birth from this pop-up box in your interface. Then tap on Next. Now you have to choose your gender. Tap on Next and now enter your mobile number. Or if you want to sign up with email, you can do that as well. Here, let's get with email. So tap on Sign Up with Email. Then type in your email address. Tap on Next. After that, you have to create a password with at least 6 letters or numbers, which should be something others can't guess. Tap on Next. If you want to save in your login information so that you don't need to enter it next time whenever you try to log in. But if not, tap on Not Now. Tap on I agree. Now you will receive a confirmation code in your Gmail account. So you have to go back and check for the confirmation code. Now once you type in the correct confirmation code, tap on Next. After that, it will ask you to enter or add a profile picture. If you want to add a picture, simply tap on Add Picture, or you can simply tap on Skip. And with that, you have created a Messenger account without Facebook in your mobile. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.